Welcome to Techie channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mouse stuttering or lagging issue on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, just follow me. Just go to your search and search for settings. Then just open up settings from the best match. Then just expand this. Then from here, just go to devices. Then from devices, on the left hand menu, you'll find mouse. Just open that. And in here, you'll see an option called Scroll Inactive Windows. When I hover over them, just turn this off. Then just close this. And your problem should be fixed after that. And if it's not, then what you can do is just go to Start, right click on it, and click on Run. In here, type MAIN, which stands for main.cpl. Just type main.cpl and hit OK. This is going to open the mouse properties up for you. From here, just go to the pointer options, and from here, make sure this button, which is the display pointer trail, is turned off. Then just click on apply, click on OK. Then just go ahead and try to restart your system and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, just right click on the start button again and go to device manager. Just expand this window. From here, just go to mouse and other pointing device, and then just disable and re-enable all the devices. And you can update the driver for each of them if you want. Just right click on them and click on update driver. And even if that doesn't work, just right click on them and uninstall the device. Install both of them, then use your keyboard to navigate and restart your system. And after restarting, Windows should reinstall the drivers again. And after that, hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix mouse lagging or stuttering issue on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.